Up until 1965, all the latex manufactured by Dunlopillo was produced by the original Dunlop process. Although at the time of invention it was a scientific breakthrough, the process had inherent weaknesses that resulted in products with relatively low tensile strength and elasticity due to its uneven cell structure. However, in 1965, Dunlopillo had the foresight to install the Talalay process, and although this method of latex foam manufacturing required a very high capital investment, it was successful in overcoming the disadvantages of the original Dunlop process. Today, most latex manufacturers around the world still use the Dunlop process because of the lower costs involved. However, Dunlopillo has continued to invest in the more sophisticated Talalay process and is now the world's largest producer of this superior type of latex. For more than 70 years, the key ingredient of Dunlopillo mattresses and pillows has been natural latex. This milky white fluid is collected manually by a traditional method that provides work for hundreds of rubber tappers. Once collected, it's transported in tankers to Dunlopillo. The Dunlopillo Talalay system is a sophisticated process involving complex chemical reactions, costly engineering plant, and a range of technical skills to operate and control it. Such a sophisticated process requires close control on all the raw materials used. Following the testing, these materials undergo preparation prior to mixing and maturing before the liquid latex compound can be processed. The liquid is then continuously frothed by mixing with air in a foaming machine, from where it's poured into a large fixed mould to only partially fill it. The lid is sealed, and the latex is expanded by vacuum to completely fill the mould. As the latex fills the mould, the bubbles in the uniform cell structure are stretched until they are interconnecting. This cell structure is held and prevented from collapsing by rapidly dropping the temperature to -30 degrees centigrade to freeze it solid and prevent foam collapse during the gelling process. Carbon dioxide gas is passed through the frozen latex to gel it, and the temperature is raised to 115 degrees centigrade to set and vulcanize it. The latex product is then strong enough to be removed from the mold. The latex mattress block or pillow is thoroughly washed by both immersion and by suction of water through the open cell structure of the latex. This removes all latex proteins and soluble products of the latex foam process. The product is then dried using the very latest technology of suction drying, where hot air is sucked through the open cell structure of the latex. This process also provides a secondary cure system. Every product is then tested to ensure that it meets the required specification for density and hardness. You can recognize a product made by the Talalay process by the large number of pencil-sized holes formed by the pins in the lid and base of the mold. These pins ensure the vital changes in temperature are carried to the heart of the product during the heat exchange process. Take a closer look at Dunlopillo Talalay latex and you'll see a fascinating uniform open cell structure. It's this structure that provides superior resilience and durability, enhanced ventilation and breathability, greater strength and range of hardness, wider versatility in end use. No other process for manufacturing latex can produce such a perfect, homogeneous structure, and unlike most other makes of latex, all Dunlopillo Talalay latex mattress interiors and pillows are thoroughly washed and dried, resulting in a cleaner, more consistent, high-quality product.